In the heart of northern Pakistan lies a landscape of surreal beauty, a place where the mountains whisper ancient secrets to the sky. Welcome to Gilgit-Baltistan, a sanctuary of pristine lakes and towering peaks that define the spirit of the Himalayas. We begin at the breathtaking Attabad Lake. Its vibrant turquoise waters stand in stark contrast to the rugged, sun-drenched mountains surrounding it. Every ripple on this calm surface reflects the majesty of the range, creating a peaceful and vast atmosphere for those who visit. Moving to the roof of the world, we reach the Desai Plains, home to the magnificent Sheosar Lake. Here, the water acts as a perfect mirror for the Himalayan giants, while yaks graze peacefully in the lush, high-altitude meadows. As evening approaches, Shangri-La Lake glows with an ethereal warmth, earning its reputation as heaven on earth. The sunset paints the sky in deep reds, while small wooden boats drift silently near the shore, capturing the essence of total peace. High above at extreme altitudes, Rush Lake demands respect. Surrounded by glaciers, the atmosphere here is rugged and epic. Watch as the clouds dance rapidly over the summits, a dramatic display of nature's raw power and shifting moods. In Nalta Valley, the morning brings a magical mist over the emerald waters. Hidden deep within a dense pine forest, sunlight pierces through the canopy, illuminating a scene that feels like a forgotten fairy tale. From Satpara to Rama and Borath, these lakes are the crown jewels of the north, each with its own story to tell. Join us as we explore the final frontiers of natural wonder, where every view is a masterpiece of the earth. Experience Pakistan.